Hi everybody, this is the video for lesson 3.2, investigating collision forces. So you're going to start out this lesson by putting down the definition of a collision right here. And if you don't know it, you can just open up the glossary here to get the definition. Okay, so the first part of this, you are going to open up 3.2, same mass collisions, and this should link you right to it. You don't even have to click, but if for some reason you do, it is right here and all the way down. 3.2, same mass collisions. You'll follow the table just like we've done for a lot of simulation things. So just know initial velocity of A is always going to be 5 centimeters per second to the right. And when you see here, it is already going 5 centimeters per second to the right. So you don't have to do anything to A. You're only going to be changing about B. So B in the first one is 0, so you don't do anything to it. Second one is 2 centimeters per second to the left, and then 2 centimeters per second to the right. So I'll go through trial 1 with you guys. And that is when it's going 0. Sorry about that. That is when it's going 0 centimeters per second. So it's not moving. So you just click run, watch what happens, and then we can click analyze. And coming back to the table, we need to see the effect on object A, and these are our options right here. So either A, sped up, slowed down, started moving, stopped moving, or changed direction. And then we also need to see what happened to B. So when we come back here and rewind, we can see that A was moving, and then A stopped moving. We can see that B was not moving, and then it started moving. So A would be stop moving, and B started moving. Then we have to get the force, strength, and direction of object A and B, just like we've done in many other simulation things. So the force strength here and the direction, so for A, it's 100 and it goes to the left, and the force strength through B is 100 to the right. So A would be left, 100. B is right, 100. So you would do the same for trials 1 and 2, just changing the initial velocity of object B. How you do that is when you go to build, run, pause, reset, prepare, and B, you're either going to do 2 to the right or 2 to the left. Oops, that was 3. And then exert the force, analyze, and then same thing to fill in the table here. Part 2, you can click this link or just come to the side, and you are going to do collisions with different masses. And just the same thing here, just know that A is now 4 kilograms while B is 1 kilogram. So same thing, A will always start 5 centimeters per second to the right, so you don't have to change anything about A, you're just changing for B. And for trial 1, again, you don't even have to change B because you can see here B is not moving. So just like for trial 2 and 3 from this one, you're either just going to prepare a force 2 to the left or 2 to the right and fill in the table the same way we just did up here. After you do all of that, you're going to you're going to write a claim that describes the strength and direction of forces exerted on objects during a collision. And you're going to try your best to use at least 4 words from the word bank in your response. And here's the word bank. So try your best to use 4 words from the word bank and describe the strength and direction of forces exerted on objects during a collision here. It should be about 1 to 2 sentences.